Winds and flooding are cause for concern, as we've been talking about on Long Island.
CBS 2's Jennifer McLogan has this from Long Beach.
We made it through one high tide cycle, but with these whipping winds along the Long Beach boardwalk, the waves are not subsiding. This area, of course, was slammed in Hurricane Sandy, and these residents now hoping to escape this storm unscathed.
Miserable. Weather's miserable out here.
I feel very cold out here.
Where are you headed?
I'm headed to the bank.
It's tough with the wind in your face. It's pretty rough.
Welcome to Long Beach, where Long Island's South Shore is experiencing whiteout conditions. Main streets are treacherous. Winds are howling. County Executive Laura Curran.
When you have a combination of heavy snow and winds, that can cause some outages, so we just have to be careful for that. The other thing that can come with winds is we're an island. We could have coastal flooding as the tide comes in.
We traveled on parkways and side streets, plow drivers trying to keep up, and shovelers facing a two-day task. Drivers are spinning out and stuck. AAA's Michael Scanlon.
There's ice beneath the snow. We have to leave that space cushion between our vehicle and the vehicle in front of us in the event of a sudden stop.
The timing and location of the changeover along the coast from snow to rain is uncertain. Until then, plan for the worst to stay safe, says Town Supervisor Don Clavin.
The expectations of this storm is now to sit on us for hours. We've already probably accumulated anywhere from 5 to 6 inches. We have an estimate now of another 14 inches on top of this. So this is going to be a prolonged battle that residents are facing.
Full moon and high tides will likely cause flooding in low-lying areas. The next storm surge is expected to grow 2 to 4 feet. From Long Beach, Long Island, Jennifer McLogan, CBS 2 News.